Hi, this is Eric from Turbo Tweak. Here we have the new Scanmaster for the Syclones and Typhoons, the Scanmaster 3. And right now I have it on the default screen, which is displaying, I have it set up to display the wideband. I also have a gauge over here, my AEM gauge, which is showing a little over 14.5, so you can see that's matching up what's on the screen here. But you can display the regular 0.2 millivolts on the main screen if you want to. But I'm going to scroll through some of these different parameters here. Here it's showing the map sensor. I have a 3-bar map running, and this is configured for a 3-bar map sensor. There's boost, the air-fuel ratio, battery volts, the integrator, block learn, mile per hour, coolant temperature, air temperature, that's actually the manifold air temperature, RPM, throttle position, voltage, idle air control position, cross counts, malfunction codes, injector pulse width, spark advance, that's the boost wastegate duty cycle, and we're back to the main screen here. The configuration screen, you get to that by holding down this mode button for about 10 seconds, and you'll see it change over. It'll say config here in a second, and then it's going to ask you what map sensor you have, and so you select whether you have a 2-bar or a 3-bar map sensor using this over here. You press down the recall button and that'll blink, and when you press it you can select between 0 and 1, 1 being the 3-bar map sensor, and then you press this over here, the mode button, a couple times, and that will set it. If you scroll through this menu, this is analog input 1, analog input 2, and that's a configuration if you have extra analog inputs connected to the Scanmaster. This, the O2 configuration selects whether you want to display the O2, the stock O2 on the main screen, or the wideband on the main screen. And when you're done, you hold down the mode button for 5 seconds, and this will go back. It'll reset the Scanmaster back to the main screen again. And that's pretty much it. You can. The other feature is it has a recall feature on this side. Right now it's going to go blank because I'm not driving it. I haven't gone wide open throttle. But if you go to wide open throttle, it will start to keep track of the air-fuel ratio and the knock, and it will display for you the leanest air-fuel reading, or the highest knock reading. And then when you press both buttons, it will show you what mile per hour those happened at. And that's pretty much it. That's the new Scanmaster.